Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your 12-digit Aadhaar number, the mobile registered to it, and scan documents ready as PDFs. Once done, open the UIDAI portal or official app, choose Update Aadhaar. You will be prompted to enter your Aadhaar and either your virtual ID or request an OTP. Enter OTP promptly because it expires fast, and make sure your device is connected and secure before moving to the next step. Now you select what to update and upload supporting documents. For address, include proof as per UIDAI rules. You will see form fields, edit them carefully because mismatches slow processing. Once uploaded, review each file and the entered details, then submit for validation. If biometric or eKYC is required, follow on-screen prompts. Authenticate with OTP or visit an Aadhaar center if biometrics are mandated. Finally, note the update request or URN and use it to check status on the portal. You should expect processing within about 7 to 14 days. Once approved, download the updated e-Aadhaar using OTP. If the update is rejected, open the rejection reason, correct the specific issue, and resubmit with clearer documents. If you still face problems, visit an Aadhaar center with originals, and remember, keep your acknowledgement number when you seek help.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.